Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my everyday kitchen cleaning routine. This is pretty much what I do every single day on a regular basis. Whenever I get home from work, I just got home from work, so I always try to get the kitchen tidied up before my husband gets home, and then I try to get started on dinner. So it's really my kitchen cleaning routine slash evening routine. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of different cleaning motivational type videos. I also do some beauty videos and some other fun stuff mixed in between. So if that sounds like something you'd enjoy, I'd absolutely love to have you hit that red subscribe button and stick around for my future videos. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out to know what types of videos I should make in the future. Before we jump into the video, I wanted to let you know that this video is in collaboration with Kristen Linton. She has a really great YouTube channel, similar to mine in many ways, but she is a mama of 2 boys, so she shares a lot of great mom tips and advice. She also shares cooking videos, as well as some of her daily routines since she is a working mom. Be sure to check out her video, which I've linked below when you finished mine. And if you're coming from Kristen's channel, I want to say hi and welcome, and I hope you'll consider sticking around. So I'm going to go ahead and jump straight in and show you all what my everyday kitchen cleaning routine looks like after work. The first thing I'm going to do is try to get rid of some of this mail and go ahead and put that somewhere else besides the kitchen. Honestly, the kitchen is not normally as bad as you're about to see, but with the holidays and everything else going on, it got pretty trashed. So there's a lot to clean. If you all have any good like mail solutions, like where do you put your mail right when you walk in the door so that it doesn't accrue in a spot you don't want it to? If you guys have any suggestions for that, definitely let me know. I'd really like to know. Like seriously, why do I have a toilet bowl cleaner on the kitchen counter? This is actually something I'm going to be using to clean my shower and not my toilet. So this is brand new. Don't be grossed out like I just bought this. But it's a little hack that I saw for cleaning showers, like spots that you can't get out of the shower. So stay tuned for a video that I will be testing this out and seeing how it works. One of the things that really helps me whenever I'm cleaning is, instead of making a gazillion trips to all different parts of the house, go ahead and try to set things that go in like one part of the house together and another part together. So for example, if you have like around the whole kitchen, you have some things that need to go to the dining room or to the study, go ahead and put that all together and then make the trip with everything all at once. That helps me out a whole lot. And take as much as you could fit in your arms rather than making multiple trips. It just saves time and energy. So let's start cleaning, and I do have my rice maker going to do some dinner prep. I usually am making dinner at the same time as cleaning and sometimes folding laundry too. This is really when my day starts, when I get home from work in the evening. So I do try to clean the kitchen on a daily basis. I just wanted to offer some inspiration for you all because I know it's a new year and you might be thinking about goals that you want to pursue, and I just wanted to encourage you that whatever goal you have in mind, big or small, keep that goal as an image at the front of your mind every single day, so it's more than just a dream or goal, but it actually becomes a plan and it's more of a reality when you can visualize it every single day. So whether you're going along and doing your morning routine or putting on your makeup or putting your hair up, whatever you've got going on, take some time every morning to visualize what it is you want in life, and you can definitely achieve it. Whenever I have a goal, I visualize it every day and what my life is going to be like when I attain that goal. That way it's more than just a dream, but it's a plan and something you're working towards every single day, and it really will give you purpose for doing what you're doing, whether that's going to work every single day or whether that's getting up extra early to have some extra time for yourself before the kids wake up. Whatever it is, having this vision at the front of your mind is going to keep you on track. I hope that this has inspired you, because that's what I really want my channel to be all about, is just inspiring us all to live the life that is most meaningful to us.
I might be going crazy, I don't know what to do. My heart is screaming for you, babe. And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. Every time I'm feeling down, you
So at this point my husband had texted me that he's on his way home, and then he got home shortly after, so I went ahead and got started on dinner. I was running a little bit behind, but I also meal prepped for a bunch of other lunches at the same time, since burritos are pretty easy to do that with. So I just made up a bunch of burritos and then froze them, so then we can just warm them up for quick lunches throughout the week. But that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and got lots of motivation out of it for your own kitchen. Like I said before, if you're new here, I really hope you'll consider subscribing. I'd absolutely love to have you on my channel, and I do cleaning videos all the time, so if that's your thing, be sure to check out Kristen's video. Again, I linked it below in the description. I think you're going to enjoy her really sweet spirit, and I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
I should do now.